Hello Sudoku friends, welcome back with the second regular puzzle, a Sudoku Heavy. Today it's the first Friday of the month, so we have a speed test. In today's newspaper on Friday, October the 7th, 2022, I've already mentioned in this newspaper we have also an additional with extra puzzles. 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Half of them I will solve, but first I will solve this Sudoku Heavy. Yeah, with the speed test, and this will be number 5291. Yes. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. Well, this one has 25 printed digits. If you compare with the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudokus in the additional, this will be a 3 stars. And for a 3 stars puzzle, you need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. But this is a speed test, so no comments. So maybe I'm faster. Alright, so let's get started. 111, okay. Let me see here. 7 and a 3, 7 and a 3. Yeah. Let me mark those 7 and 3. 1, 2, 3, 4 is missing. 5 is missing. 9, 4, 5, 9. This should be a 5, 4 and a 9. Alright. 4, 4, 4, 4, 5, 5, 7, yeah, 1 and the 8, 1 and 8, 5 and the 2, here should be the 2, 2, 2, 7, no, 3, come on, 4 and a 5, 4, 5, the 1 is missing, so this should be 7 and a 3, 7, 3, 3, 3, 7, 7, 2, 2, 1, 5, 5, 5, 3, okay, 5, 9, okay, 2, 6, and 8, 8 to 6 means 1 box left for the 4. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. Yeah, 5. Okay, these 2, 2 and 3. 9, 6, 6 and 8. 6 and 8. Come on. 3, 3, 3, 3. Well, yeah, 3, 3. 4, 3, 2, 2, 2. Yeah. 4, 5, 7. 7 should be here also. 7. The 9. No 9 here. The 9 could be here or there. I think it's rather there. So the 7 and the 3. Oh wait, this can be a 7. So the 3 and the 8. Maybe I made a mistake here. Oh no, 3 is correct. We have a 3 here. So this will be 8, 7, 3. 2 boxes, 2 and the 8 should be here. 1 and the 1 and a 9. No, we have a 9 there. 9 is not correct. 1 and a 6, I believe. Yeah, 1 and a 6. This should be a 1. This should be a 6. Okay, 6, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8. 8, 6, and a 9. 7, 5, 5. Ooh. This one is not 6, 7, 6. Could be everywhere. 5, 1. Come on, come on, come on. 6, 8. 2, 2, 2, 2. Of course. 7, 8, 2, 1. 1 should be here. 1, 9, and a 6. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 1, 2, 3, 4. Should be here. 4 should be there. 4, 6, 6, 6, and 8, 8, 8. 6 and 8. So this should be a 4, 6 and 8. 9, 5. No, 9, 5. 8, 1, 6, 8, and 4. 8, 6, 8, 7, and a 1. 1, 7. 1, 2, 3, 4. No, 4. 5, 6, 9. 5, 6, 9. 5, 9. Here we have a 9. This should be a 5 then. 5, 5, 5. 2, 8, 6. 2, 8. 2 should be here. 2, 8. This should be 6, 6, 6, 6. 2 numbers left. 2, 2, 2, 2. 2 and a 3, I believe. 1 and a 8. 4, 1, 6, and 6 and 3. No 3 there, so 3 should be here together with the 4 as a pair. So this should be a 6. 6, 6, here 6, here the 1, here the 1, here the 8, here the 8, here the 2, here the 2, here the 3, here the 3, here the 4, here the 4, here the 9, 5 should be there, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and the 9. 9, 9, 9, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Finish in 9 minutes. Well, pleased with the time, man. I like this one. Yes, I really do. If you think so, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching with the speed test. Let me check if this is correct. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and 9, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Correct? Yes, I'm pleased with the time and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up, otherwise thumbs down. See you later with the other 4 puzzles in additional. Until then, bye bye for now.